This is Donald Trump. Like any other politician, or honestly like most people, he enjoys pizza.
Pizza, great equalizer. Rich people love pizza, poor people love pizza, white people love pizza, black people love pizza. Do black people like pizza?
But here's a weird question. Can we predict what's going on in a politician's mind based on the pizza they order? Take a look at these charts. They show a spike in Domino's orders near the Pentagon on the nights just before a major war broke out. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you might be able to predict the next war based on pizza orders. So back in 1991, there was this Domino's boy named Frank Mix. He ran a bunch of stores around DC, and one night he noticed something weird. Pizza orders were going crazy. That night, August 1st, 1990, the same day Saddam Hussein was getting ready to invade Kuwait. Now, obviously Frank had no idea what was going on behind the scene, but he did know his stores were getting slammed with orders like way more than usual. Later on, when people heard about this, they started looking into it. They pulled old sales records, dug through the data, and found something wild. This wasn't just a one-time thing. It kept happening. Every time a major war was about to kick off, pizza sales, especially near the Pentagon, would spike. Turns out, this so-called pizza index has lined up with 21 global conflicts since 1980. Yeah, somehow pizza orders have been better at predicting war than some actual intelligence agencies. But how is that even possible? What does a sudden carving for pepperoni say about geopolitics? Let's break it down. Here's the thing. When something big is about to go down, especially military stuff, people behind the scenes start working overtime. I'm talking analysts, defense contractors, military planners. Basically, a ton of folks pulling all-nighters in offices you and I will never see. And what do tired, stressed out people stuck in secret meetings order at 2 a.m.? They order pizza. Lots of it. So what Frank Mix noticed and what others confirmed later is that pizza delivery spikes around certain buildings at very specific times, right before a war starts. It's like an accidental signal. People planning this stuff are not leaking classified info, but their late night munchies kind of are. So yeah, it's not that pizza causes war, but when the right people are ordering a suspicious amount of it, something big might be about to happen. Let's fast forward to a more recent example, the tension between Iran and Israel. A few months before the headlines blew up, something strange started happening. Pizza orders around DC spiked again, and guess who noticed? There's a Twitter account called Pentagon Pizza. They literally monitor pizza delivery patterns around the Pentagon and post when something seems off. One day, they tweeted unusual number of late-night Domino's deliveries near government's building. And a few days later, news breaks of threats and possible military planning involving Iran and Israel. Coincidence? Maybe. But at this point, the pizza index is starting to look less like a meme and more like a signal. Now let's break this down from a scientific perspective. What's actually happening here is a technique called signal extraction from noisy data. Pizza sales on the surface have nothing to do with geopolitics, but hidden in that chaos is a pattern, a signal, if you know where to look. In machine learning, this is what we call feature engineering. You take something that doesn't seem meaningful, like pizza order volume, and you treat it as a proxy variable for a hidden process, like military activity. Can you spot when the behavior suddenly breaks from the norm? It's the same principle behind predicting flu outbreaks from Google search trends or forecasting stock market shifts based on social media sentiment. The magic is not in the data itself. It is how you connect it to something bigger. This is where computer science gets good. It's not just about analyzing what's obvious. It's about training models to catch the invisible connections we never think to look for.
Man, this 555 deal's really popular. Mr. Trump, here you go, 3 medium pizzas, $5 each.
Tell you what, I'll counter that offer with an even better one. Here's the deal. You give me those 3 pizzas, only I'll give you just $5 apiece.
Sure. Okay.
Still got it, Donald. Still got it.
Call now and get 3 or more medium one-topping pizzas for just $5 each. Get the door. It's the Domino's 555.